It's road trip day, so if you'd like to see what I eat on my road trip following the Weight Watcher plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is road trip day. We're taking a trip to Florida. I have my sunglasses packed. I have a bag packed with some snacks. I have a turkey sandwich, some celery with peanut butter on it, and some sodas in there. And that's what I'm going to be taking on my trip. Some hard-boiled eggs also. It is about 7:20 in the morning on Monday, and my car is packed. I'm just grabbing my last couple things and heading out. So we'll see you on the road. Here we go. Road trip to Florida 2024. Car is packed to the brim as usual, and the trunk. But I am going for 2 months, so we'll see you on the road. What better place to stop on a road trip but Waffle House? Normally, looking over the Waffle House menu, I would get a waffle, but that's too many points. So I got eggs, potatoes, toast. That's 19 points there. It's hard to eat out and stay low in points. Stopped for a Starbucks, got some iced coffee and put Premier Protein in it, so that's 1 point. When I'm traveling on the road, I like to eat snacks traditionally. I brought some peanut butter on celery sticks and munched on that for a 4-point snack. Then we stopped at Cracker Barrel just to actually shop. They always have such cool items. I normally get candy and eat it on the road, but I didn't get anything this time. Resisted temptations. And Mallow cups are my favorite. Here's what I bought at Cracker Barrel instead of candy. First time ever. Beautiful heart necklace. I really like it. Earrings to match. No points. That's 0 points for the jewelry. Lunch on the road, I got a small chili from Wendy's, which is 5 points. And I brought some fat-free cheddar, so that's going to be 0 points worth. And I also brought a turkey bologna sandwich with light mayo and a little bit of mustard and a 1-point piece of cheese. So this is 2 points for the bologna, 2 points for the bread, and 2 points for the cheese. I'm sorry. So that's a 6-point sandwich. This is a really tasty lunch when you're on the road, a fast food place. 5 points for the chili. And if you don't have any crackers, that's all it is. Here's what's left of my tuna salad I made. The tuna pasta salad. Each side is 4 points. My daughter's having one and I'm having one. So that's a on-the-road snack. Getting some steps in North Carolina. Just stopped in North Carolina. We're at a rest area. I just forgot to tell you guys that on my first week, I lost 9.5 pounds. So that is a good restart, something to build on. And I brought my scale with me to Florida, so let's go. Can't wait to get to warm weather. It's a little chilly here. Still up in the mountains. Here's where we're going to see if we can find something to eat that's healthy. This is what I ended up getting at Whole Foods. I got a piece of salmon with just salt and pepper on it and green beans with just salt and pepper. The mashed potatoes I gave to my daughter, and then I have 2 apples to eat, and that's going to be my meal, and it's 0 points. So that is good choices at Whole Foods. Today is day 2. We made it to Florida about 1 a.m. last night. Stopped in Jacksonville. So we stopped at a few places on the way here. We stopped at Goodwill's, Walmart. Took us longer than we thought, but now we're going to finish the rest of our trip because we're going down by Fort Lauderdale. So today is the start of day 2. It's windy, but there is palm trees. Cloudy. Tornado watch here for today. They offered a really good breakfast at the hotel. I had scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, some potatoes, some fruit, and I had some oatmeal topped with some granola. Very healthy, very good. Good start to the day. Stopping at the world famous Buc-ee's. Checking it out. There's Buc-ee. This place is so big. I've never been in one before. It has all kinds of food. It has nuts and sandwiches, candy, bakery, all kinds of items. I think I could have done all my Christmas shopping in this store, but it was awesome to see. I did not try anything though. Just bought some iced coffee. Once again, I'm avoiding all these temptations. Even the inside of the bathroom was cool. It had all kinds of unique artwork. Pretty cool place. So all I got at Buc-ee's was an iced coffee. And I've always wanted to try these beaver nuggets. I know they have sugar in them. I know they're quite a few points. I will put it on the screen, but I'm just going to open them later and just have a couple of nuggets. Let my husband try them after his flight lands, because he flew and I drove. It's gonna take us forever to get to our destination if we keep stopping at these Goodwill stores. I like to sell some stuff on eBay, so we thought we'd hit up some Goodwills in Florida. So I bought a couple things. So two pairs of glasses on. So I'm having an apple as a snack while I'm driving. So we finally got to our final destination, and I ended up stopping at a Whole Foods again, and I got some chicken, broccoli, and I also had some chicken soup and ate that at my son's place, and that's what I ended the day. I'll put the total points for my day on the screen, and I was able to stay on track and eat pretty good. Then we ended the day going to Gulfstream Park to the casino. I had some free play, won a little bit, and that is the end of my road trip. I just wanted to show a little bit of how I ate. You can be good. You have to resist the temptation sometimes, and you can do it on a road trip. So that's going to be the end of my road trip to Florida. I hope you got the part where I lost 9.5 pounds my first week. I actually left on that Monday, weighed in then on that Monday, and so this next video when I will post a weigh-in what I lost on my second week. It's been hard to publish videos when I'm working, but so I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.